So the Mustang is currently not running. We had to go get another battery. Ethan and Tristan are go ahead and get them. They're already started. It's not ready, and they're already started. So they said they're gonna put me at the very back. So at least I get to compete. Hopefully, if we can get this thing running. But yeah, the alternator belt that I got is it's too short. Don't hit my truck. So, to be 100% honest, I am nervous, to say the least. First time I've actually done anything with the Mustang at an event, or really anything on hard pavement where I can hit something. It's been just in the pasture, trying to avoid cows. Pretty much it. So hopefully, tonight goes good. How you feeling? Terrible.
Those poor wheels, oh no! Oh no!
I made it show, right?
Yeah.
Hey, please tell me they'll put that on the trailer for us.
Well, she's broken. I did a amazing job breaking it. Oh yeah, I know, I broke the whole front end off. Ooh. Completely snap the frame. Oh, so sad. So sad. But she'll be back better than ever. Oh my goodness, that tire's done. You're right there. So this is definitely snapped right off. That's supposed to be straight and then connect into there. And yeah, that doesn't do anything now. Snap my welds. Ethan says I didn't weld them good enough.
No, you really did not.
It's fine. They were okay.
No, they were not.
Whatever. But
Look at the complete lack of penetration.
I see complete penetration
complete
with that.
lack. You had nothing on this fucking backside.
Nope, there's some, yeah, no, that was all welded. It's gone, it's broke.
You had no.
No, it's sheared off.
You had no.
It's sheared off.
You had penetration here, no penetration up here, penetration up there. You didn't even have penetration in between your two welds. There's two welds right there, and there's a space in between them.
And I completely sheared my charge pipe. I don't even know how I did that. I guess this probably moved.
Honestly,
and then
I'm surprised this didn't break because this is all porosity.
hey.
Porosity.
And then, dude, look at this. Mint. Definitely had a great time with the Mustang tonight. Sad I hit the wall, but it honestly such a good time. And where we hit, it was not really that bad. The only thing that's damaged is the shocks and then the stuff that we custom built. So we'll cut that off and make it brand new and make it better. Well, that's it for the championship. I think I won. The most carnage, at least. Jeez, it looks even worse after we loaded on the trailer. Now, this is all sheared. I mean, the whole thing moves, so. Hey, I'm taking it home with me. What?
I said, I see where this broke.
That's broke. That's broke. The FDF kit actually did pretty good. The shocks are a little broke.
The biggest problem right now. Where did the oil leak come from?
Yeah, kind of oil leak right there. And it was even on the Lowell's forks.
With the oil pan and hate to burn that impact.
I saw it. I mean, he did shift over, so it's possible. But it definitely looks terrible. Well, that's it for Cleetus Cars 2021. It's definitely emptying out. Broken, man. Broken. So sad about it, but all I gotta do is send the shocks in and fix the front end. It looks a lot worse than it actually is, but we'll fix it and it'll be back on the road soon. Look at it from this angle. It's done. You guys stick around for half a second. I just want to thank all my sponsors that made this build possible. You got KC Turbos, you got O-Dogs, you got Warren, you got Twins Diesel. You have all of these people help make the Mustang what it is today. And of course, Hewett Apparel. Hewett Apparel is the big reason why this Mustang is a thing. All the shirts you guys buy, all of the hoodies you guys buy, all the hats you guys buy is going directly into the Mustang. It helps me out to build this thing for you guys to enjoy. I hate putting in plugs for my own stuff, but guys, I'm being 100% serious. The anti-cum and swap shirts, they sell great. You guys absolutely love them. I love them. They're comfortable to wear. I'm wearing a KC shirt right now, but the new gold ones, oh, they're absolutely great. I recommend you guys get them. The hoodies are out now. Nice and warm. So go down and link in the description, HewettApparel.com. Get you some anti-cum and swap stuff. Get you some, there's a bunch of designs on there and more coming soon, I absolutely promise.